Get it.
Get out. Can't figure out where they go. Look, baby.
Laying down, he's too relaxed.
Stand up.
Oh, that's what down.
Stand. Play.
Of course, he won't do it when we want him to.
Yeah.
Try the fish one.
I don't have
He likes this one. Once he gets going, he'll do it. He's getting there.
He's got to build up.
He starts to get so excited. Oh my God, there he goes. Once he starts squashing them, he gets so excited.
Cow. Opie, you turd.
He has to squash a couple first. Oh.
Where'd they go?
See, that's the thing. Like, you can't figure out where they go. And he messes with that at first. And then once he starts to squash them,
Get it. That's a slow one. Come on.
The little ones are slow too.
Opie needs his claws trimmed.
He sounds like
Try
a dying
it.
cow.
I dare you.
Don't swing for that one. No.
He screams like a sissy.
Did they try to cut him?
Yeah.
Yeah, they couldn't do it.
What are you swinging for?
Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Get it.
No.
You dummy. Thanks for the kisses. Thank you.
It's a small one.
Look, the little one.
He's like, where did it go?
You keep looking at it.
Let's see
He
mommy
doesn't
then.
care about the bugs, he just wants to know where they're going.
Yeah.
This is so confusing.
Like, what the? There it is. Like, ow. It's like he hurt his paw. Are you done?
Try the fishing one, see if he
I
doesn't.
don't have that.
He might try to bite the tablet. If he bites it, you know he's going to break right through it. He bit through that box like nothing.
He what?
So he bit through that box over there like
Oh,
nothing.
he turned it off.
Oh! Hey!
Hey, man.
You want to play Little Big City?
I didn't like that game. I want a new one.
There you go. When I first start. There. Go! Get it! Get it! Get it! Get it! Get it! Look! Look! Come on, miss. Look, kitty. I need a big one. There. Kitty. Gotta get him a little snatch. Ah. This cat's a butt. You're a butt.
I'm over it. I said turn it off for a reason.
Pick it up. Look. Hey, look.
I told you I turned it off for a reason. Huh.